Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this time, I will show you how to make the photos from this to be this. Okay, just let's go to the tutorial. First time, you have to open your Lightroom apps. And then, you have to select your picture or import your picture. This. Okay, the next, open the settings, go to the light. In exposure, you have to scale down to be minus 50. Okay, the contrast, let them 0. And then go to highlight, go to be minus 100. Go to the shadow, scale up to be 100. Okay, go to the white, let them minus 100. Go to the black, scale up to be plus 40 or little more like this. And go to the curve, this, select the white and then make this like this. Okay, just like this. Next, scroll down and find color. In this temperature, let them 0, tint, make this plus 1. Just 1. Okay, go to the vibrance. Let this to be 29. Okay, go to the saturation, make this minus 29. Alright, go to the color mix, like click this, scroll down, and then the red, make this to be on hue to be minus 11. Okay, go to the saturation, make this plus 31, and the luminance to be 18. Go to the orange, the hue, let this to be minus 16. Go to the saturation, make this to be minus 19, and luminance to be plus 31. Let's go to the yellow. The hue, make this to be minus 100. Saturation, make this to be plus just 24, and the luminance to be 16, just 16. Okay, go to the green, make the hue to be 0, saturation to be minus 100, luminance to be minus 100. Go to the, what is this color? Blue. Alright, blue one, hue to be plus 30 maybe. Alright, just 31. Go to the saturation, let's to be 76. Luminance, let to be 0. Go to the Bluetooth, hue, let this 0. Saturation to be minus 61 or more. Luminance to be minus let this just minus 27. Alright, go to the purple, let this hue to be 0, saturation plus 25, luminance let it 0. Go to the purple, pink. Yes, pink, not purple, pink. Pink, hue 0. Saturation to be plus just 27. Okay. Luminance 0. Go to the effects. The texture, let it 0. Clarity, scale up to be plus. Alright, plus 12. Okay, 12. This to be plus okay, 24. Okay. Vignette to be minus just. Alright, it's minus 10, 20. Alright. Midpoint 50. Feather scale up to be 100. Roundness 0. Alright, just let this, and then go to this effect color. The highlight scale up to be hue 35. Hue just 35. Alright, saturation to be 24. 20. Oh, this is so. Alright, just like this. Hue 35 and saturation to be 24 or more, little more. Shadow 0, saturation 0. Go to the tile. Sharpening, just 25. Okay, this was finished. You can see the before and the after. Okay, the last step, click this and then save to device. Just select your quality and click OK. Just wait. Okay guys, I hope you to enjoy to learn this tutorial, and I hope you can understand. If you have some question, please write in comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, see you in the next videos. Bye.